Woman don't pursue me come out for cold. That is free for cold. For midnight. They don't slap me so many times. I don't feel touch. I don't feel do anything.
My people, this our brother, our uncle just cry, come out again. Nobody say just cry, come out. He just did that the phrase. China, they talk about how his woman push him out. Woman when he married come from Nigeria. You know, say no, this video not be the first video when I see for this social media platform. Yes. Why I want to talk about some more deep. Yes, you can drop your own opinion. If today is the first time of coming across this my YouTube channel, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Please do well to join this beautiful family. We talk story and we bring a lot of things out here. We talk about our big YouTuber. When we say their matter, still, something to chook mouth, we chook mouth. Any news when they pass social media, we'll still bring and come. Do well to join this my beautiful family and enjoy my service. Thank you as you do so. My people, I bring this gist come out. This our brother when he go that the phrase China go talk how he take carry his wife come. Then his wife go push him out. Yes, say his wife go push him out. If you dare beat the woman, say you don't ever get work. They will look you like abuse for America. Why this thing they pay me? He said if they carry the woman come from Nigeria, go abroad, whether America, Europe, abroad. Let me just put it like that. Say the woman go they work. Say she not ever bring her salary come, may they use as husband and wife. She go they carry her salary, they go Nigeria, go meet her family. Then now he go pay the woman car insurance, now he go pay food, now he go pay light, now he go do everything, house, train, children, things, clothes, now he go they do. But if you come tell the woman, say, where your salary? Say the woman go. For my people, not be by abroad. When you they grow up, how you see your parents, it determine. I don't let the talk how you see your parents, it determine. When it become husband and wife, you are the mother of the house. The man are the man of the house. Yes. The both side, you supposed to bring once you they make money. Not be the husband go responsible wife, responsible husband, whether the woman they Nigeria, whether the woman they abroad, a responsible wife, a responsible mother. As this man, if they think of his children, you as a woman, not if you think of your child. Some men they out there for that Africa, for that Nigeria, no one say whether children they eat, whether their children want go school. Now you see husband when carry you come abroad. Now you see husband when carry you come abroad. May we join her together, work, make things work for me and you and our children. Then you go say no. It's good to have siblings. It's good to take care of your mother. It's good to, do things to it. But let your house, those children, you bring them come this world. If you be any woman, I just talk my own. If you be any woman, whether you there Nigeria, whether you there abroad, you get that mentality of say, now my husband supposed to do everything. When you they work, when you they make money, when you know your husband's salary. Mostly when we did this abroad, we know our husband's salary. We know how much our husband they get end of month. You know after you don't pay all this bill, nothing for him for save, nothing. Sometimes not the food they reach. Some of our husbands, they do extra work. They'll come look old. Like I don't really understand. Then you not help your husband. You they work. They just say, now you marry me. Now you supposed to take care of. Now you still marry him as a mother. I remember those days when my apartment so rest in peace. He go say, now my mama be her mother. That is my mother and her father. Then my mom, according to the mother of the house. A mother of house, what to do? You don't know what you're supposed to do. Your husband marry you come from Africa, come abroad. He marry you come make things easy for both of now. Because if you there Nigeria, God they give you cash for day, they give you $100. If you're not there enough, then you not ever get plan. Those children's future, but he carry you come say at least if they make them have baby, you go they work, I go they still they work. If mothers, you know who feel work those kind of big work, at least 3 hours, 4 hours work if you see them. You work on social media, anything when you know you fit support your husband. You do and support your husband. Not be say husband. Now you just as he be husband, you now wife. May anybody not come for me because those stories don't too much. I don't. In fact, and those people now the women when they marry come from Nigeria, they get those kind of mentality packs, and it's not good. It's totally wrong. And before that they marry, they come from Nigeria. Maybe now they look whether papa or mama. Maybe now investigate. Whether their papa or their mama, they always say, now my how you go their husband house? Will they say, now my I know say some people they do it because of say later the man could change. But study the man when you they do one for. Not be say you not get your own, but things say food not there. You cook for your children. Your children don't get clothes, you get money. You don't buy clothes for your children. Your children need something, you don't do one for your children. And they ask you if you be one of the when they watch this my video. Yes. If you still be man where wife marry come, you marry me come, you not say na like this be. If you not say na like this be, when you can't reach the you abroad, when you can't see the life, why you not adopt to it? For woman to carry man come, for man to carry woman come, nothing say it easy. See the corner, me una face and me una do another thing. Una go they do like person when they suffer, when they maltreat. That's how una voice go they lag. You not tell me say na say be they see where easy. That our Nigeria people they cry say no work. They will come carry una come the abroad now they mezebu abi now they do like say una know the shit before. I don't they like all those kind of people. How you go they push your husband outside? Man will carry you come. Where I see one comment today, I go still leave short video where the man for narrate himself. One comment say, I wish abroad women will get the chance to tell their own story. I live abroad and I can tell you that our men are horrible. Our men maltreat their women. Do not even take care of them because they see them as money making machine. The woman will be working together to invest in Nigeria. The man will invest everything in his name and even marry a wife secretly in Nigeria. The man act like a god and maltreat their wife when the wife have no job. When the woman now have a job, they will want to control the woman. The rate of infidelity is high. Bills are shared. Quietly, the man forgets that he is the head of the family, but instead they leave most of the responsibility for the woman. He get a lot of comment behind this comment. Yes, now the both side. You say I don't vex finish. Yes, now the both side. I don't talk that one. Now make me I don't want just talk am. Now the both side. If you be man because of say son don't come out. If you be man, I marry my wife come. Go they do everything they maltreat am. You not do am well because once the woman he gets work, you are gone. Then if you be woman, when you marry man come, when you carry man come abroad, then you go just always say, now I dey talk all those things for my first video. If you don't know, go search my video when husband for buy a wife. When husband for say a wife they sleep around. If you watch, you go see my word for there. No be I will repeat the same thing, but see this man how it talk. Yes, women they are free, they can still talk, but many people they come out, they always they cry. Women when they carry come, it's too much. Yes, it's too much. It's too much. Let's call it space. It's too much. If the women that they really maltreated, they will still come out talk. They will come out. Many people see they talk. They come out. And they see some women when they go see talk, they will say now women be women problem. No. When you go see your brother, we get son. Imagine that they maltreat your son like this. Imagine for his cycle. No. What you go tell if you know they are not fit again? If social worker they try find your how you will take command, then push your brother. If person push your brother inside or your son inside, how you go feel? It's not good. We never ever hear when the man say a woman say man push him for his push her for his cycle. It not ever they exist. How you will push woman for his cycle? No, it's not good. Man for his cycle, it's not good. My people, and this one I just get to talk. The thing make me vex. I just para. Okay, you are free to talk your own. Free to drop your own. I'll drop such short video for the man when the man explain little. Then if you want to hear the maid gist, the maid download, go that the free is China. And women when the man come from Nigeria. Me una look whether I love una. No, because of say selfish interest. If I come abroad, my life go change. No, look at whether I love you, Jenny. Someone can pretend, but be wise and be smart. Because any woman, any man will love you. Now go let's come together to become one. Yes, man or woman, when two of them love each other, now go always need the good things for that home. The man not ever misbehave, the woman not ever misbehave. But if the love not there, then they go start to say maybe now because of make my life change automatically. Now I take come, then you go try give the man one, or the man will try give her one. Then after they'll start quarrel. Find where to separate that love when you want to go, but using hand take buy. Now you can't the eye. My people, don't live in our own opinion. This one I get to talk. If you be man, if you be do woman, when man marry come, when woman marry come, if you don't like that man, you don't like that woman, for you to maltreat her or for you to deal with her like say nah nobody, please go your separate way. Inside this school is too much. I can't even imagine say my brother, person, woman push my brother outside for inside school. Yes, if man want kill you, he want beat you, he want do you something, you can call him sit down. If you say na person when he head get gaga, then you can call police. May he sleep for parlor. Daybreak may he carry wahala go. Or for France, so they'll go lock him. Daybreak they go leave him. Or you go call 115. At least not ever they push person picking outside. Now this one I get to talk. I'll see you in my next video.
Our wives they come with the mentality when they get here and say, "Na man, they do everything." That is easy. You've traveled wide and far. You know as it is for abroad, they know easy. The woman will begin work. Her own salary, she will begin to send her go home. But your own salary, now him. You go take, they pay house rent, they pay for her own car insurance. That is free. They pay for food. The day when you ask her, say, Okay, bring small, come out now, make we take pay you and I don't begin get problem. And you know if you win woman for abroad, for abroad, for America, me I did it for Chicago. Woman don't pursue me come out for cold, that is free for cold, for midnight, for more than 6-7 times. Now me they call police by myself. Now me go call police, say, come on, they don't pursue me for cold. Police will come ask me, say, you get any friend where I carry you go make you go sleep for there. It happens so this particular police where they come, for where would they stay? Come help me find another Nigerian police person who go fit hear my language and tell me what I go feed you. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie for you that it's crazy. So many marriages don't break up. So many marriages don't break up for this thing. And some of the women when they expose here, as they come here, because they say they get power. The Lord will favor them. They will begin to do anyhow. They will begin to talk to you anyhow. They will begin to talk to you anyhow, do you anyhow. You don't fit do anything. You don't fit beat them now. You don't fit touch them. You will go jail. Not only going to jail, that is, you go enter your record. You know if you find work, they go see you as an abuser. Me na living testimony. Me na living testimony. They don't slap me so many times. I don't fit touch. I don't fit do anything. Then if you come with your children, because that's what you want to if the first time is you take care of them,